10 Best Breast Cancer Prevention Foods. According to the reputable nonprofit organization breastcancer.org, invasive breast cancer affects 1 in 8 women in the United States. Although this is among the most common cancers, it can be prevented by adopting a healthy lifestyle and a diet rich in anti-cancer foods. When it comes to cancer or any other disease, including obesity, health foods can prevent most chronic diseases we encounter. In this video, we will share 10 healthy foods good for breast cancer prevention. Watch the entire video to learn about all 10 foods and the scientific studies for their efficacy. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Following are those 10 best foods you can eat to reduce your risk for breast cancer. 1. Berries. Berries are rich in phenolic compounds that are highly beneficial to women. The international peer-reviewed journal Antioxidants recently published a study on the role of berry consumption in cancer. In this study, researchers found that the antioxidant content of berries doesn't just reduce your risk for breast cancer, but also minimizes the effects on people who have already been diagnosed with the disease. Among your best options are blueberries, goji berries, and strawberries. 2. Peaches. Like berries, peaches are known to have protective effects against breast cancer. In a study published by Breast Cancer Research and Treatment in 2013, researchers found that these fruits are especially beneficial to postmenopausal women. If you want to avoid breast cancer, you should eat at least 2 servings of peaches per week. Nectarines also offer the same benefits. 3. Cinnamon. According to a study published by the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in 2015, among cinnamon's many proven health effects is reducing the risk for cancer. It has potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-tumor effects proven to suppress the proliferation of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and leukemia. 4. Grapefruit. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that inhibit cancer cell growth. According to a Journal of Breast Cancer study in 2013, citrus fruits are incredibly beneficial. The researchers found that people who eat grapefruit and similar fruits are 10% less likely to develop breast cancer than those who don't eat citrus at all. 5. Kale. Research by the American Institute for Cancer Research suggests that a diet filled with kale and similar non-starchy vegetables reduces the risk for breast cancer. Generally, green leafy vegetables are rich in carotenoids and other compounds that protect overall health and inhibit the growth of cancer-causing carcinogens. 6. Kimchi. According to a study published by the World Journal of Clinical Oncology, fermented foods are generally rich in probiotics crucial to preventing breast cancer. These foods include yogurt and sauerkraut, but among the best fermented foods you can include in your diet is the Korean staple kimchi, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects to boost your immune system. 7. Nuts. In 2015, Gynecologic and Obstetric Investigation published a study on nut consumption on breast cancer development. The researchers found that people who consume nuts are 2 to 3 times less likely to develop breast cancer, and this was also the same conclusion of a similar study published by Cancer Causes and Control in 2018. Among your best options are peanuts, almonds, and walnuts. 8. Oregano. Oregano has always been known to have potent antibacterial effects. However, a study published by Biomed Research International in 2017 shows that it also has impressive anti-cancer and antioxidant activities. It is instrumental in combating breast cancer due to its high content of rosmarinic acid and carvacrol. 9. Salmon. Fatty fish in general, but salmon in particular, offers remarkable protective effects against breast cancer. This is because the fish provides large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids as well as cancer-fighting antioxidants. In a 2019 meta-analysis of over 900 relevant studies, researchers found that salmon consumption reduces the risk for breast cancer and is especially beneficial to Asian patients. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is widely used in traditional medicine, mainly because of its curcumin content, making it a highly effective anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antioxidant agent. A study review published by the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2019 showed that the curcumin content of turmeric is especially effective against estrogen-dependent breast cancer. Whether you have a family history of breast cancer or you want to lower your risk of developing this dreaded disease, make sure you eat plenty of these proven anti-cancer foods. Apart from preventing breast cancer, you'll also gain many other health benefits, like better cardiovascular health and digestion. Following our study references we used to create this video to start you on your own path of research. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.